Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investors, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard-earned money in gambling. If you're interested to get more recommendations, then click subscribe and bell icon. Do your research and let us know your insights also in comment. Today we will discuss on Havells India. Havells India Limited is engaged in manufacturing switchgears, cable, lighting and fixtures, and electrical consumer durables. So first, go to their website. So if you go to their website, Havells.com, then you will see what are the products they sell. Before buying or selling any share, first go through their details, what the company does, what they sell, what does they manufacture, then invest your research time and then buy or sell. So if you go to if you go into the consumer section, there are various items from fan, lighting, appliances, switches, switch gear, water heater, flexible cable, air cooler, pump, personal grooming, water purifier, and even they're investing in solar products. Now, if you go to the industrial section, then you will get heavy duty fans for industries, professional lighting, cables, motors, switchgear controllers, quality solution. Also, they build setup solar setups for industries as well as homes. Now, next, let's go to the detail of their. I have downloaded the annual report, so let's go through it. So if you see what the brands they have in Havells, they have brand as Havells, Lloyd, Crabtree, Standard, Rio. So if and this industry has started from Havells India has started in the year 1983, and today it has turned out to be the leading in this electrical appliances sector. If see what are the brands they have, so they have Havells, Lloyd, Crabtree, Standard, Rio. Um, and in the product portfolio, see switch gears, cable, lightning mixture, electric consumer durables, and fan, water heaters, small domestic appliances, water purifier, personal grooming, etc. Lloyd consumer have air conditions, LED TVs, washing machines. Now, for switch gears, cables, lights, fans, Havel is the leading one. For my home, also we use for most of the domestic purposes we use Havells switches, lights, fans, etc. Lloyd is not the leading one, definitely in air condition or LED TV or washing machines. Uh, but for the other products, definitely Havel is the leader. Now, new products launched, yes. So they have launched heavy-duty ACs, Havells, Metallica fans. These are the if you just it's a 318 pages document, so it's not possible to go every details in this video. You yourself take out time and go through these details. As performance as highlight, if you see their net revenue have consistently increased year after year. Only in year 2020 it decreased, definitely because of this pandemic situations. Now let's come to this money control website. So see here the sales have consistently increased from 2019 September to 2020 September. It has decreased in 2000 March and June, since everything was shut down. There was a lockdown throughout the world. So it decreased in June and March, but again it started rising from September 2020. Okay, now next come to the other income. The other income have also consistently increased. But it's quite high in September because they have, as far as I got news, that they have sold some of their land somewhere. I forgot the exact location. So that's why in September 2020 it's showing a quite high. But normally also, if you see the trend, the other income is also is increasing. Mm. Now, next is this is the sure. Please go to the Money Control website and see their income statements, balance sheet, or even you can Google out that report and download and see all those details. Um, Now, next come to the shareholding pattern. Yes. the- Now, next come to the shareholding pattern. See, the promoters percentage remained almost same at around 59.5 percent. Pledged holding is completely zero, so that is definitely a good sign. They don't have anything pledged. Now foreign investors have increased consist sorry foreign investors decreased from June 2019. It was 26.95, then in 2020 it decreased to 21.95. But I found that in screener it was showing somewhere in screener. Yes, screener I found that it increased. This foreign investors increased to 22.21 percent. So it's increasing, and consistently from last year, the domestic institute investment has also increased from 6.39 in June 2020 to September 2020. It increased to 7.40%. Foreign investors increased. The mutual fund percentage, I think, decreased a bit, 2.99% to 2.22%. Um, so this is the shareholding pattern. Please go through all those details. And now next next come to the yeah, okay. So this is the news in Money Control, moneycontrol.com, that Havells India consolidated September 2020 net sales at rupees approximately around 2,500 crores and up by 10.16%. So this is the news. This is the news, and now next come to the technical chart pattern. So where you will when you will buy this share and for what target. Now first things I check is what is their performance. Before buying any share, I check what are the past performances of this share. um, yes, now let's go to the technical chart. So before buying any share, I first check is the about the past performances. So if we go to the monthly chart, now see, from 2004, it was maybe around 2004, 2005, it was 5 rupees, and 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, and now it has went high to 857. So see, if the chart pattern, it has consistently rising, it has never taken a big fall. Only in this year, maybe sometimes in this period, it has consolidated a bit and again have started rising up and up always. Only in this during this pandemic time, it from its high to around 800, it came down to 480, a big correction, and then again it started, and every month this share is rising, and now it has crossed its peak level. So it's almost trading at its highest point. It's at 856 today. Now next come to the daily chart. So for a long term, definitely definitely it's a buy share, and it's a strong share for buy. Hmm. A reliable share for buy rather. Now, if we come to the daily chart, see, here you can see a pattern, maybe a flag pattern. If you see here, it has consistently risen from this level. See, it is consistently rising, and here if you see, this is forming a flag pattern also. So in this region it is consolidating a bit. So this is the level, it's consolidating between 800 to 860. Okay, so for this, so now in this range between 800 to 860, it is consolidating. Now, definitely, this is not the right time to buy. Only I will buy this share after it crosses this 860, maybe around 860. Once it's cross 860, around 862, 63, if it gives a closing above this price any day, then I will buy it, and I will hold it at least for a quarter, or maybe I can hold for a long time also. Whatever, for myself, I'm holding this from I think around 2017. I'm holding this share, and in between I have done some profit booking. I have accumulated more shares in this period. Also in this year, I have also accumulated a quite number of shares, percentage of shares. So for you, if you are a if you're a short term trader, then definitely you can buy above 860, 865. Around 865 you can buy, and then you hold for a quarter. You will definitely get the benefit. Yes, for a long time also you can hold this one.